Smithers comes a long way.
Well, this is Silas on the way home in the taxi for our holiday.
I think we might see another change.
He's snoring and slavering.
He's snoring.
He's absolutely exhausted. Oh, yeah, up, waking up.
Introduced to the action shortly. Strong defending there from Botlock. Temple's going to go out for a town throw.
Town are winning. 3-1.
I'm just going back.
It's remaining, plus any added time.
You recorded, Silas. You're tired, love.
See who's going to come off here.
Gosh, you've been snoring like heck. When we turned up noises, I think, Karen, and all we could hear is.
Shaking his head, but he doesn't seem too downhearted. He is.
What did he say? Did he say someone are winning, Mum?
Yeah.
3-1.
The manager.
Against Southampton, Silas.
Lionel Ainsworth is on to replace him. He's done his job.